Welcome back. Today we need to have an intervention. I want you to open your prompt history and look at how many times you've used the word cinematic. I get it. You want your video to look like a movie. But to an AI model like VO3, cinematic has become the visual equivalent of the word nice. It's vague, it's overused, and it forces the AI to guess what kind of movie you actually mean. Today, we are banning the word cinematic and building your director's dictionary. When you say cinematic, what you're actually asking for is a combination of three highly specific technical elements: lens choice, lighting, and color grading. If you want your VO3 generation to look like a high-end commercial or a Hollywood blockbuster, you have to use the vocabulary of a cinematographer. First, the lens. Stop saying cool camera angle. Start saying shot on 85mm lens for a beautiful blurry background, or 14mm wide angle lens to make a space feel massive. Ask for anamorphic lens flares if you want those horizontal light streaks you see in sci-fi films. Stop saying good lighting. Start saying high contrast chiaroscuro, soft diffuse overcast light, or neon practical lights. Third, the color. Stop saying movie colors. Start saying teal and orange color grading, mute desaturated tones, or vibrant Kodachrome film stock. Let's look at this in action. Let's say we are generating a B-roll for an automotive campaign. If I use the lazy vocabulary, I would type a cinematic shot of a sleek electric sedan driving through a city at night. It looks fine, yeah, but it looks like AI. It lacks soul. Now let's ban the word cinematic and use our director's dictionary to upgrade the style portion of our S.E.A.S formula. A sleek, silver electric sedan driving through a rain-slick city at night, shot on a 50mm anamorphic lens, shallow depth of field, high contrast neon practical lighting, the reflecting of the wet pavement, gritty moody color grading with a heavy film grain. Look at the texture, look at the reflections. By using specific vocabulary, anamorphic, shallow depth of field, practical lighting, film grain, we told VO3 exactly how to process the image. Here's your exercise for today. Step 1. Write a basic prompt for a subject and an action. For example, a chef plating a fancy meal. Step 2. Generate it once using the word cinematic at the end. Step 3. Delete the word cinematic and now replace it with 3 specific technical terms from our dictionary. Add a specific lens, like macro lens, and a specific lighting style, like dramatic directional lighting, and a specific color grade, like warm golden tones. Compare the two. You'll immediately see how specific vocabulary unlocks VO3's highest fidelity output. Build that dictionary. Steal words from photography blogs, camera reviews, and your favorite directors. On the next video, we'll cover the most important skill in AI video generation: iteration. What do you do when VO3 gives you something that is almost perfect, but not quite right? I'll show you how to tweak without starting over. See you then.